shalom, shalom. Welcome guys. Welcome to this amazing and beautiful city of Tel Aviv. Wow, guys. The beautiful city. That's an incredible city. What a lovely city of Tel Aviv, guys. Yes guys, shalom everyone, and welcome to the amazing and beautiful city of Tel Aviv, guys. God bless and enjoy.